Have you ever had a bike or an e-bike stolen? Bike thieves are a common problem, and it can be hard to protect your e-bike. But with the right tools and knowledge, you can make it much harder for them to succeed. In this video, we will be discussing 6 ways to protect your e-bike from theft. Tip 1. Register your e-bike. Give yourself the best chance of recovering your bike if it's ever stolen. You can register your e-bike with your city government or on national bike registries like bikeindex.org and project529.com. To register, you'll need pictures of your e-bike and its serial number. Tip 2. Consider purchasing e-bike insurance. Some states require e-bike licensing, registration, and insurance. Insurance is a must if your state requires it. If not, talk with your insurance company for more information about your options. Tip 3. Use locks and other anti-theft devices. It may seem secure enough to lock your wheel to the bike rack, but thieves can easily remove the wheel. Using more than one lock can help ensure that thieves can't walk away with the parts of your e-bike. Types of locks include U-locks, chain locks, cable locks, and folding locks. What's more, you can purchase alarms to discourage theft and GPS devices to track the location of your bike at all times. Tip 4. How to lock up your e-bike, battery, and accessories. Use a folding lock to secure your rear wheel and rear triangle on your frame, but don't lock it just quite yet. Next, use a cable lock to secure your front wheel and slide the loops through the end of the folding lock. Once the loops are through, secure the folding lock. This locking system provides full coverage and safety for the bike, making it harder for a thief to steal. Tip 5. If you can't lock it, take it with you. Consider taking valuable parts with you when you leave your e-bike locked up. For instance, you can easily remove and take your e-bike battery with you. Tip 6. Store and park your bike in safer places. Lock your bike to secure, permanent structures only. If the thing you're locking your bike to isn't bolted to the ground, your bike isn't safe. Additionally, storing and parking your bike in safer places like communal garages or buildings with security cameras can provide added protection. Remember, there's no such thing as a completely theft-proof e-bike. However, by following these tips, you can significantly reduce the risk of theft and increase the chances of recovering your e-bike if it's stolen. Always take preventative measures to protect your e-bike and stay vigilant. If you have any more questions or concerns relating to the safety of your e-bike, please reach out to our customer support team or visit our website, magnumbikes.com. Like and subscribe for more content, and thanks for watching.